Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to chat with ChatGPT in WhatsApp. Now, first of all, make sure that you have installed WhatsApp on your smartphone. Now, to do that, just open the Play Store. From here, search WhatsApp. Now, as you can see, WhatsApp is already installed on my smartphone. If you have not installed it yet on your smartphone, just tap on install, and once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, just save the number on your WhatsApp, which I'm about to enter. Tap on send message. Now from here, tap on new contact. Now in the first name section, type ChatGPT. Now in the country section, select United States. Now from here, enter this number 800-2428-478. Now from here, tap on save and tap on message. And this is how you can chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.